So far, we've been considering particles which move only in a straight line in one direction or the other. We're now going to consider particles which can move anywhere within the xy plane. In order to do this, we need to make use of vectors. We use the vector r to represent the displacement vector of a particle. This displacement vector will be stated with I and j components or in column vector form. R dot is a notation you may see sometimes which means dr dt. So this is the differential of the displacement vector, and we know if we differentiate displacement we get velocity. So we'd sometimes write this as v. R double dot is a notation that means the second differential of r with respect to t, or dv dt. If we differentiate velocity, we know that we get acceleration. So as we've had before, we have displacement, velocity and acceleration. To go in this direction we differentiate, and it follows that to go in this direction we need to integrate. We should remember this diagram.